In this video I'm going to show you how to make only one player sleep in Minecraft Aternos. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In my case, I'm not playing Minecraft Aternos, but it's the same process on any Minecraft version, as long as you have the version to use this command. What you need to do is type exactly this command, okay? So slash game rule, players sleeping percentage, space, you will put 0, okay? Then if just one player sleep in Minecraft, the night will be skipped, okay? If you want to put just for example 50% of the players, you can. So if you have 4 players on the server, you need to have 2 players sleeping to skip the night, okay? If you want to skip the night with just one player, put 0 and you will make the process. I hope I helped you how to make only one player sleep in Minecraft Aternos. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.